Hello everybody, my name is Daria and today we talk about how to determine a gender of a noun. Every Russian noun has a grammatical gender, either masculine, feminine or neuter. All nouns have gender and not just humans and living beings. A table has a gender, a cat has a gender, and even my eye has a gender. It's important to define correctly a gender of a noun because the endings of other parts of speech depend on the gender of a noun. For example, we have two words, a pen, ручка, has a feminine gender, and a pencil, карандаш, has a masculine gender. I have a red pen. У меня есть красная ручка. But when I say I have a red pencil, у меня есть красный карандаш. Another example, a dress, платье, has a neuter gender, and a t-shirt, футболка, has a feminine gender. I want to buy a black dress. Я хочу купить красное платье. And I want to buy a black t-shirt. Я хочу купить чёрную футболку. Did you notice that the endings of adjectives are different? And let's see how to define a gender of a noun. If a noun in nominative case ends in consonant or soft sign, this noun has a masculine gender. A table, стол. We see that the end is a consonant, L. That's why this is a masculine gender. The word style, стиль. What is this gender? Still has a soft sign in the end of a noun. That's why we have to look up this word in the dictionary. In the end of the video, I will show you a wonderful site which can help you to define a gender of a noun. If a noun ends in a, ya, or soft sign, this noun has a feminine gender. To define the gender of a noun which ends in soft sign, you have to look up this word in a dictionary. Shelf, полка are in the end, that's why this is the feminine gender. Family, семья, ya, it has a feminine gender. Bed, кровать, soft sign in the end. We'll look up this word in a dictionary and we see that it has a feminine gender. And if a noun ends in o and ye, this noun has a neuter gender. The sun, солнце, ye in the end, it has a neuter gender. And the word lake, озеро, o in the end, it has a neuter gender. There is a good resource which can help you to find the information about gender, check the stress of a noun, and also to decline nouns. It's totally in Russian, but I will show you how to use it. This is our site and we go to поиск. Поиск is search. And then here, for example, we write the word словарь, for example, and enter. The most important information is here. You see that this word has a masculine gender, and also we have the stress, словарь, and we can see the declension of this word. Let's check another word. The word is night, ночь. Enter, and we see that this word has a feminine gender. Let's check another word. Another word is teacher, учитель, and we see that it has a masculine gender. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Bye!